This 2021 Thor Motor Coach Delano 24FB is a Class C RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Thor Motor Coach is 25 feet 8 inches in length and features one slide-out, a Gray Cashmere Decor, Euro-style cabinetry interior, sleeps 6, air conditioning, awning, skylight, auxiliary battery, water heater, slide-out, stove top burner, refrigerator, external shower, TV, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed, rear bath. This 2021 Thor Motor Coach Delano 24FB is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.